What colors do you like? What colors do you like? I like blue sky, I like green grass, I like purple butterflies. If you should ask, I like yellow daisies, red daisies too, pink and orange sunsets, watching them with you. I like white, snowy white, the black of the night. I like the brown of the earth and the ground. What colors do you like? What colors do you like? I like blue, blueberry pie, green cabbage and broccoli. I like yellow corn, orange carrots too, white mashed potato and a brown gravy stew. I like red strawberries, purple grapes, and I like pink grapefruit. What colors do you like? What colors do you like? I like blue, blue, blue. I like green, green, green. I like yellow, yellow. I like orange, orange, orange. I like red, red, red. I like black, gray and white. I like purple, purple, purple. I like pink, pink, pink. I like brown, brown, brown. What colors do you